Hi, everyone. Welcome to the course. My name is Chris Benjamin. I'll be your instructor in this course. Thank you so much for signing up. So in this course, we're going to be learning all about pivot tables and beyond. We're also going to be learning about pivot charts and then how to create a nice looking dashboard like the one you're looking at. So essentially what we're going to do is start with a raw data set. This is the exact one used in the course. We're going to take this raw data set. It's over 800 lines of data. It's multiple columns out to column R. And basically we're going to take the role of you started a new job, you're given this huge amount of data, and you're kind of told, make sense of this, create some useful reports, pick kind of the main areas you think would be useful for management, and make something for us in Excel. A lot of people, unless you're familiar with pivot tables, would have a tough time with that. Like, where do you start with a data set like this? Well, with pivot tables, it becomes so much easier and so much more clear. So in the course, what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 different pivot tables and then also subsequently create nice charts that go with those. Now, beyond sort of the basic pivot tables that you're seeing here, as I click through, we actually explore multiple different columns and ways of slicing the data up multiple different ways. We kind of just settled and finalized all of our reports based on sort of the top performers, kind of the best averages, etc. But during the process, we're going to learn, the way of sort of exploring the data, trying different things, seeing what works, what doesn't work, what makes sense. So there's a bit of trial and error involved. So you get to see how that works. We'll create these charts. And then at the end, we're going to create a nice slick looking dashboard. At most, this took an hour just to get through, create all of this. So you can imagine what's possible with this. So we got nice charts that are dynamic. As we change the filters over here, you'll be able to edit your graphs. Let's just to demonstrate. That one didn't do too much, but you saw how that graph changed just by adding in different factors, etc. So we're going to create a nice dynamic dashboard by the end of the course. As for myself, my name is Chris Benjamin. I'll be the instructor. I've been using Excel for over 20 years. I'm an accounting and finance professional. I use Excel pretty much every single day, and working with large data sets is something that I'm very much involved in. So wanted to take my knowledge and information all about how to do this and put it together in course format for you guys. So glad again you signed up. Looking forward to being your instructor. Now let's go ahead and get started on taking this big data set and making sense of it.